What if Earth wasn't our only option? What if there were other planets, strange, exotic, maybe even terrifying, where humans could one day survive? From scorching lava worlds with potential to cool down, to frozen exomoons hiding oceans beneath the ice, these are 10 real planets we could potentially live on. Today, let's count them down. Kepler 442b is often near the top of every habitable planet list, and for good reason. It's about 1.3 times the size of Earth, with a rocky surface and orbiting comfortably in its star's habitable zone. Its sun, a slightly cooler orange dwarf, offers a long and stable lifespan which could give life plenty of time to thrive. Gravity here would be slightly stronger than Earth's, but not enough to crush your bones or ruin your gym gains. Part of the famous TRAPPIST-1 system, TRAPPIST-1e, is one of 7 Earth-sized worlds orbiting a cool red dwarf. TRAPPIST-1e might have water. It might even have an atmosphere. Scientists believe it's one of the most Earth-like exoplanets ever discovered. The downside? It's likely tidally locked, meaning one side always faces its star. But the terminator line between day and night could be surprisingly livable. So here we are at Proxima Centauri b, the closest potentially habitable exoplanet to Earth, just over 4 light-years away. It orbits Proxima Centauri, a small red dwarf in the Alpha Centauri system. Now, while it may have a rocky surface and is within the habitable zone, the downside is the intense radiation from its star. But, with the right shielding or maybe even underground colonies, this could be humanity's first real leap beyond the solar system. Now, we don't have to leave the solar system to find potential homes. Europa, one of Jupiter's icy moons, may be hiding an ocean beneath its frozen crust. Liquid water, possibly more of it than on Earth, lies under a thick layer of ice. Could something live there already? Possibly. But even if it doesn't, this hidden ocean world is a strong candidate for a future human base. We just need to bring heaters, lots of them. Moving on to Gliese 581g, a planet that's been debated for over a decade. Some astronomers say it exists, while others say it doesn't. If it does, it's right in its star's habitable zone, possibly with Earth-like temperatures and gravity. Because of its orbit around a red dwarf, it might be tidally locked. But that doesn't rule it out until proven otherwise. We'll keep this one on the maybe but promising list. Mars is humanity's first real shot at becoming an interplanetary species. We've sent dozens of missions, landed rovers, and we're actively planning crewed missions. It's dry, dusty, cold, and has a thin carbon dioxide atmosphere, but it's reachable. With domes, underground bases, or terraforming, Mars could one day host cities. We wouldn't need to dream light years away. We'd just need a good rocket and a lot of sunscreen. Titan is strange. It's cold, minus 180 degrees Celsius, and has lakes made of methane and ethane. But it also has a thick atmosphere and potential underground water. Even crazier? Its atmosphere is denser than Earth's, meaning humans could fly with wings strapped to their arms. Not exactly vacation weather, but with tech, it's possible. In a sci-fi kind of way, Titan is oddly promising. This rocky planet is about 1.4 times the size of Earth and orbits a quiet red dwarf. It's in the habitable zone and may have a thick atmosphere, possibly even water. Because its star is less active than others in its class, LHS 1140b avoids the intense radiation that kills life potential on many other red dwarf planets. It's dark, quiet, and might just be livable. K218b is a super-Earth or mini-Neptune, which is a bit of a mystery. It's bigger than Earth, but smaller than Neptune, and that means we don't know if it's solid or gassy, but here's the twist. In 2023, scientists detected water vapor in its atmosphere. Even more exciting, they may have found dimethyl sulfide, a chemical that on Earth is only produced by life. It's not proof of aliens, but it's one of the strongest signs of habitability we've ever seen. Teegarden Star B is one of the most Earth-like planets ever discovered. It's close, it's rocky, it orbits in the sweet spot around a quiet red dwarf. It's not too hot, not too cold. And its mass and size suggest that if you stood there, you might not even notice you'd left Earth, except for the red sky, of course. So, could we live on any of these planets today? Not without serious tech, but these are real places, real planets in our galaxy. and they might just be waiting for us. Which one would you pick to live on? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and join us next time on Next End Space.